Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Home Screen and Wallpaper over here and click on Themes. Finally, just click on the best one for you or select More Themes. And select one of them from here, like for example, Town. And when you're ready, click on Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!